How to allow Messenger access to photos. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to allow access of photos to Messenger. In order to allow Messenger access to photos on your device, you will need to simply follow these steps. First of all, go to your device settings. Scroll down from the top of your screen and then tap on the settings icon at the top right. This will take you to the settings page. Now in the settings page, you will need to scroll to find apps or application option. Once you find it, simply tap on the apps option and inside it you will be able to see the list of application installed on your device. Now from here, find and tap on the Messenger application. Once you locate the Messenger application, here simply tap on it to open it. And now inside it, look for the permissions option. Select permissions and inside it, here you will need to scroll down until you locate photos and videos option. If it is not allowed, you will be able to see it in not allowed section. Once you locate it, simply tap on it. And then inside it, here choose between always allow all or allow limited access to grant Messenger access to your photos. Once you have selected it, now you will be able to grant access to your photos. Also, when you open the Messenger application and try to send the photos, you will be prompted to allow the access to photos. From there too, you will be able to select allow button in order to grant access. So by following these steps, you can enable Messenger to access your photos that allows you to share images and videos directly from the application. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.